Hi everyone, in this video we're going to fabricate the rear lower wishbone and the front sheet metal rocker arms. Now you can see we already got the jig fabricated, so I know where all my start and end points are, and at this point I'm just cutting tubes to length and then coping or fish mouthing them, which just means fitting like tube to tube. You gotta notch out the tube to where it fits very nicely to the next one. Just for welding, you don't want to have any gaps. I do that with hand files, so part of the video you'll see me running back and forth from like the workbench in the middle over to the vise that's mounted on the solid wood bench. But there's a finished product. You can see the ones above it were the ones that were on the car, and the bottom ones are the ones we just made, which are the correct ones for the car on race day. Now you're looking at the sheet metal rocker arms. These took days to fit up. So there's just a lot of sheet metal, a lot of bends. You don't want to make a mistake and have to start from the beginning. So there's just a time lapse of me welding them. So I really don't think anybody wants to watch hours on end of me welding the sheet metal together, so just a quick fast forward, just flying through stuff. With the sheet metal, you really don't want to weld everything at once, so you kind of see me move from one spot to the next. Say if you weld it too much, you get it hot, things will warp and pull and it'll get all out of shape, so kind of do little spots here and there all around it. Don't try not to get any one part too hot. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.